In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ActiveCampaign to your WordPress site. Integrating ActiveCampaign with WordPress will help you manage your email marketing effortlessly and keep your audience engaged through forms, site tracking, and even live chat. So let's dive right in. First, we need to install the ActiveCampaign plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New to bring up the plugin search bar. Type in ActiveCampaign, Forms, Site Tracking, Live Chat, and once it appears in the results, go ahead and click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, make sure to activate the plugin. This activation step is crucial because it will allow us to unlock all the features we need to connect ActiveCampaign with our website. Now that the plugin is active, it's time to connect it to your ActiveCampaign account. Go to the Settings menu in your WordPress dashboard and click on ActiveCampaign. Here, you'll need two things from your ActiveCampaign account: your API key and API URL. These can be found by going to the Admin section of your ActiveCampaign dashboard under Settings and then Developer. Copy and paste both the API key and URL into their respective fields in WordPress. Once that's done, click Update to establish the connection between ActiveCampaign and your WordPress site. This connection is what allows the two platforms to communicate seamlessly and share data. With our connection set up, we can now embed forms on our website. ActiveCampaign offers a couple of ways to do this. If you're using the Gutenberg editor, simply add the AC Forms block and select the form you want to display. Alternatively, if you're using the classic editor or prefer shortcodes, you can place your form by entering the shortcode, ActiveCampaign form ID CSS-1, wherever you'd like on your site. This flexibility ensures you can display your forms in the locations that make the most sense for your readers and conversion goals. Moving on, let's enable site tracking and live chat features. In the plugin settings, you'll find an option to enable site tracking. Check this box to allow ActiveCampaign to monitor visitor behavior on your website, which is invaluable for tailoring your marketing efforts and triggering automations based on user activity. If you also have ActiveCampaign Conversations, which is their live chat feature, you can enable that here as well, allowing for real-time interactions with your site visitors. Finally, save all your settings to make sure everything is in place. To ensure that everything is working as it should be, add a form to a page and publish it. Test the form to confirm that the submissions are showing up in your ActiveCampaign contacts. You can also check the site and event tracking reports in your ActiveCampaign account to verify that site visits are being accurately recorded. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated ActiveCampaign with your WordPress site.